Hi guys, I'm Sobna. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another new video and this is the fourth video of my series. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, this video is all about some valuable points. These 7 things या फिर points you can say can change your life according to me, because these points are really very valuable. So let's not waste our time and let's get into the video. So guys, our first point is stop complaining and appreciate how lucky you are. You know, we this human needs never get fulfilled. We keep on complaining, but we shouldn't do that. We should appreciate each and every moment of life and see we are grateful, we are blessed. You can say in this pandemic many of them are losing their life, many of them are losing their loved ones, but see, if you're watching my video then you're alive and that's what we should be grateful for, because that's a blessing. If we are alive in this pandemic, that's ये भी बहुत बड़ी बात है, because we have seen many people dying, like many people dying in one day, and from previous year like बहुत जन जा चुके हैं, and whatever we have today शायद वो किसी के पास ना हो. हमारे पास जितना है किसी के लिए वो भी बहुत बड़ी बात हो सकता है. So you know, we should never complain, because whatever we have, that we should be okay with it. We should appreciate those things and make the most of it. So yeah, our second point, I think this is one point that you all should take seriously, that is embrace loneliness and reinvent yourself in the process. You know, अकेलापन जो कहते हो ना, दिस इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग. यू कैन एक्सप्लोर द हेल आउट ऑफ यू इन दिस प्रोसेस. You can know yourself more. You can know what you exactly want to do, what you don't want to do, what you like, what you don't like. You can know yourself more. But ये जो होता है ना, अकेले हूँ, you need somebody in your life, don't be like यार, don't be like that. Because loneliness is something I think everyone should enjoy. You have your own space, that's what you should be grateful for. And loneliness is not a, मतलब जितना बड़ा स्यापा आप बनाते हो ना, इससे इतना बड़ा है नहीं, because I think loneliness is the best thing. We can get the best version of ourselves during this process. We should reinvent the things and we should bring some changes in our life to make our life interesting and happening. बट या ये जो अकेले रह रहा हूँ, किसी का साथ का ज़रूरत है, ये वो ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, ये सब बकवास होता है. जस्ट डोंट यू नो टेक दिस लोनलीनेस. मतलब इस अकेलेपन से लोगों को डिप्रेशन भी हो जाता है. आई हैव सीन, मतलब मैं सुनी हूँ ऐसे एंड देखी भी हूँ कुछ, तो इतना बड़ा है नहीं. आई थिंक यू शुड बी हैप्पी. यू शुड मेक द मोस्ट when you are alone. So yeah, you should learn how to reinvent yourself, how to bring some changes which is good for you. And loneliness को इतना बड़ा ये मत बनाओ, मतलब अकेला वो all that stuffs, that's waste of time. Just invest that time in you, in making yourself a better version, because time is very precious. अगर एक बार मतलब चला जाता है ना टाइम, वो वापस नहीं आता है, एंड यू नेवर नो हाउ मच टाइम यू हैव विथ योरसेल्फ. सो आई विल सजेस्ट यू, टाइम इज़ वेरी प्रीशियस. डोंट वेस्ट टाइम, reinvent yourself. So guys, our third point is कि say goodbye to the people who don't bring positive energy in your life. This is a very good point actually. You know, we have so many people around us and we know from whom we get positive vibes and from whom we get the negative vibes. And the people, those who give you positive vibes, उनको रख लो. They are going to push you. उनको रख लो. And those who are giving you negative vibes and you are uncomfortable with them, उन्हें साइड कर लो, जस्ट टेल देम बाय बाय. It's easy, it's not that hard, because if you don't want to, you know, you don't like their मतलब energy, you don't like the vibe, then just get them out of your life. And those who give you positive energy, just hold them tight. अरे ये राइमिंग हो गया, but no, yeah, you should keep people, those who give you positive energy, because that's what is very important and necessary in life, because those who give negative vibes, they pull us down. So that's why we need positive energy around us. So keep positive people around you. Now let's come to our fourth point, which is ki pick one skill that you want to cultivate and put your all efforts into it. Pick one skill which you want to have in your future, that one hobby, skill that makes your life more interesting, and those type of things. Pick one skill and stick to it. Never leave that skill, या फिर your passion, whatever it is, never leave that, and put all your efforts into it. Yeah, it's a good thing to explore. Like I will tell my thing only. I keep on exploring. Like I do internships. I have done internships. I have done affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing तक तो आप Instagram में देखोगे Biz Gurukul, वो तो क्यों I do Amazon affiliate marketing till now. अभी तक मैं Amazon का मैं continue करती रहूँगी. And then I have also heard about network marketing, and I also know something about network marketing, but I have never done it. And see, I have done a lot of type of work in internships. Like बहुत variety of काम मैं की हूँ, and those are what matters is experience. मतलब the things you are gaining, you know what is good for you, what is bad, and you are good at what and what not. Like I started doing internships when I last year only, during lockdown. I think lockdown या फिर before lockdown I had done 2 to 3 internships. Then after that I did many internships with many companies. And see, don't be dependent. Okay, this is a point you all should know. Don't be dependent on your family members, your parents. बुरा लगता है ना किसी को मांग के खर्च करना. That's, I feel bad to ask to, you know, मम्मी पापा को भी मुझे पैसे मांगना बहुत बुरा लगता है. So I never ask them. I just do internships. I earn from affiliate marketing, and chess is also a passion which pays me also. So you know, that's a very good thing. आप सबको इंडिपेंडेंट होना चाहिए. किसी के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट रहना इज़ लाइक सक्स. मुझे तो बहुत इरिटेट लगता है. मतलब इवन इफ टू आस्क का, मतलब मैं कभी घर में मांगी नहीं हूँ. यू नो, आई हैव नेवर आस्क्ड समथिंग एट होम फॉर, या फिर मनी भी मैं कुछ मांगी नहीं हूँ आज तक. सो आई विल टेल यू कि आप ना एक्सप्लोर करो, ठीक है. नो वट आर द थिंग्स. लाइक इफ़ यू आर इन 20s, then explore 1 year till 22, 21. When you will start exploring yourself, you will know that you are good at what and what not. And जिसमें आप अच्छे होगे उसे आप कंटिन्यू करेंगे. डू एक्सप्लोर, बट डोंट, मतलब ज़्यादातर उसमें मत घुस जाना जहाँ से आप निकल नहीं सकते हो. देन यू विल बी लाइक, जल्दी मुझे यहाँ से निकलना है, बट यू कांट. एंड internships are of 3 to 6 months. Like many companies have many different things, and if you perform well, you can also get a job from it. But I don't prefer doing job. Like I never thought of doing job, because I have something else planned for my future. So I just do internships to gain experience. But yeah, the one skill I want to cultivate, I know, I just don't want to share it with you guys. I know what I want, and I am putting efforts in that also. That only, ज़्यादातर ज़्यादा मेरा 80% to 90% का effort वहाँ जाता है, and 10% I keep on exploring. Like I do explore अभी भी, but I know what I want in my future. So make yourself clear, make your vision clear. That will help you a lot. Now our fifth point is commit to your goals you have set and never look back. Actually guys, you know, हम लोग तो टारगेट अपना सेट कर देते हैं, बट जब हमारा ये मेहनत करने का टाइम आता है मतलब हम बहाने बनाते हैं एंड ऑल. सो वी शुड नेवर डू दैट. वंस वी हैव committed to our goal, we should never look back. We have to focus on that. Like I said in the previous video, I know what is that one thing या फिर one skill I want in my future, and I am putting 80 to 90% of effort in it, and बाकी 10% I am exploring. So that's the thing. I have my goal set and my target set, and I'm working towards my goal, working on my goal, and also I'm doing other stuffs. Recently I started skateboarding. मतलब अभी सीख रही हूँ, पूरा beginner. So that will help you a lot, क्योंकि adding one skill is going to do wonders in future. You know that one thing. See, knowledge is the best investment. Knowledge के साथ साथ अगर आप skill में भी invest करोगे, that is going to bring wonders. It's going to be magical, absolutely. देखो, आई एम अ गर्ल जिसको पढ़ाई ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. आई डोंट लाइक पढ़ाई इतना ज़्यादा, बट आई डू अदर स्टफ्स अ लॉट, एंड आई लव एक्सप्लोरिंग. ये वो सब करती हूँ, बस पढ़ाई मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं है. बट आई कीप ऑन एडिंग वन स्किल इन माई लाइफ. एवरी ईयर, ये जो ईयर मतलब टू डू लिस्ट तो मैं हमेशा सुबह उठ के बनाती हूँ, बट जो ईयर का टू डू लिस्ट होता है ना, वहाँ पे एक नया स्किल एवरी ईयर वो होता ही है. Last year the skill I have learned is playing guitar. थोड़ा मतलब आ जाएगा, पूरा नहीं आएगा, but हाँ, the basics I have learned, and now I am learning the basics of skateboarding. मतलब पसंद है ना, when you know that yeah, I can also do that, मैं सब कर सकती हूँ. But yeah, the main thing is I know what I want in my future. My goal is set, and I am also working on my goal. That makes your life more interesting. And skills add करना is like वो क्या बोलते हैं, थोड़ा टेस्ट, जैसे आप खाने में डिफरेंट मसाला वो सब डालते हो for good taste. Adding skills and exploring something of that adventurous and वो भी थोड़ा लाइफ को एक्साइटिंग बनाता है. So that's all. So guys, now let's go to our sixth point. Our sixth point is कि स्वेट एवरी डे एंड बूस्ट योर मूड. ये मैं एक्सरसाइज के हिसाब से लिखी हूँ. चाहे दिन मेरा कैसा भी जा रहा हो, when I complete my workout, it refreshes my mood, mind, body, सब कुछ रिफ्रेश लगता है, अच्छा लगता है. आफ्टर वर्किंग आउट I feel relaxed. So that's what sweat every day, because अभी मैं वर्कआउट तो मैं 1 month हो गया की नहीं थी, बिकॉज ये मम्मी का तबीयत ख़राब था, उसके बाद मेरा तबीयत भी ख़राब हो गया था. सो आई थिंक अप्रैल 30 से लेकर मैंने ये 2 months पूरा गैप हो गया है. आई वॉज डूइंग योगा. एक्सरसाइज मतलब दैट इंटेंस वाला वर्कआउट बंद था, बट एवरी डे योगा 30 minutes में कर रही थी फॉर माई बैक पेन, एंड सूर्य नमस्कार ये मैं नॉर्मली ये कर रही थी. बट ये जो 1 घंटे का इंटेंस वर्कआउट होता है ना, दैट मेक्स मी फील अमेजिंग. लाइक आफ्टर वर्कआउट, सो आई लव यू. आई एम लाइक दिस ओनली. एंड गाइज, ये जो 2 months में आई हैव गेन्ड 4 kg. लाइक आई वॉज 58 नाउ, एंड नाउ आई एम 62. हाँ, ठीक है ना. मेरा एक्चुअली ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग आई एम हैप्पी अबाउट इट, क्योंकि मेरा वेट बढ़ ही नहीं रहा था. I am happy, and this is also a task for me to get back to 58. So I am going to start workout from 20, क्योंकि अभी मैं गांव गई थी एंड वहाँ पे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा खाई हूँ. एंड आने के बाद यहाँ पे मेरा मोमोज़ भी स्टार्ट हो गया है, कुरकुरे मोमो. ठीक है, छोड़ो, अभी खाने का टाइम, जितना खाना था मैंने 2 months में खा लिया. नाउ फ्रॉम 21 months आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट माई वर्कआउट, दैट प्रॉपर वाला वर्कआउट, एंड दिस इज़ अ टास्क फॉर मी to lose 4 kg in 1 month that I have gained in 2 months. So let's do it. We are going to sweat every day, and we are going to boost our mood, या फिर we are going to cheer up ourselves. That's all. So guys, here comes our 7th and the last point, which is कि fail forward and learn from your mistakes. Like don't fail backward. ठीक है, जब आप फेल होते हो, टेक दैट इन अ पॉजिटिव नोट एंड पुश योरसेल्फ. ठीक है, हम ना कभी मतलब मतलब ये जो कहते हैं हारने से ही हम सीखते हैं, गलती करने से ही हम सीखते हैं, दैट्स ट्रू. When we fail, when we don't get, when our demands doesn't get fulfilled, we learn many things from there. बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं हम वहाँ से. So when you fail, just ये self doubt ये सब बहुत आता है, but you are stronger than you think. So push yourself forward, take that in a positive note, because you have learned many things when you are failing or you are doing a mistake. Learn from your mistakes because they are the best lessons which you can get for free. ठीक है, वहाँ पे बहुत कुछ हमें सीखने को मिलता है. So take that in a good note and fly high. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have liked this video. Do comment, and if you find this video helpful for you, then do share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.